AVGO stock analysis and AVGO stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Broadcom Incorporated. It's sitting at $218.63 and 3% down for Friday. Last week report was down 6%. Now, before I dig in this, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've cut out thousands of quick predictions, and all the proof has been documented on my YouTube channel. With this specifically, I can bet that I'm still looking to double down on this bullish market. I mean, I've talked about this before plenty. Like, I was waiting here, this delivered, then I had some confirmation. You know, the pink stuff is the proof that I called it out. Here, I was only really going to act upon this if the rules got met, in which case they did not. So, guess what? I just never pulled the trigger on that. So, because we're inside this demand, the only thing that I'm looking to do is still buy, but only if I see a shift happening. So, if like there's this. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is a cool demand zone, but it cannot be just a straight up buy just because it's a cool demand zone. Rules must be met in my eyes, and this is what I figured out. It's taken me so much time to figure out, like 4 years. Thousands of freaking dollars spent on courses and mentors. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.